Did you know your expensive espresso machine could die in just 2 years if you ignore this one simple maintenance step? Most coffee lovers are unknowingly destroying their machines every single day. Here's the brutal truth. Mineral buildup from water is silently killing your espresso maker right now. Those white crusty deposits aren't just ugly, they're choking your machine's internal components and reducing water flow to a trickle. The number one killer? Skipping descaling. You should descale every 2 to 3 months depending on your water hardness. Use only manufacturer-approved descaling solutions, never vinegar, which can damage internal seals and leave lingering tastes. But descaling alone won't save your machine. Daily cleaning is equally crucial. After each use, purge the group head by running blank shots. This removes coffee oils that turn rancid and clog your system. Wipe down the steam wand immediately after frothing milk, because dried milk residue creates bacterial breeding grounds. Water quality makes or breaks longevity. Install a water filter or use filtered water exclusively. Hard water accelerates mineral buildup, while soft water can corrode metal components. Test your water hardness and adjust accordingly. Pay attention to your machine's warning signs. Slower extraction times, weak crema, unusual noises, or temperature fluctuations all signal maintenance needs. Address issues immediately before they become expensive repairs. Replace water filters every 2 months and group head screens annually. Check rubber seals quarterly for wear and tear. These small investments prevent major breakdowns. Professional servicing every 12 to 18 months keeps internal components healthy and maintains optimal pressure levels. Your espresso machine is an investment worth protecting. Follow these maintenance rituals religiously, and your machine will reward you with cafe-quality coffee for decades. What's your biggest maintenance mistake? Share your horror stories below, and don't forget to subscribe for more coffee wisdom that saves you money. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.